Good morning student. I am going to teach you about the cell constituents and cell parts. In previous classes you have studied about the types of cells and cells shape, size and about the cell. So today I will teach you about the contents of the cell and components of the cell. It consists of major components. First is cell wall, second is plasma membrane, third is nucleus and nucleoplasm and also cytoplasm. So first cell wall. Cell wall, it is present only in the plant cell. In plant cell it is the tough, rigid and surrounds the cell membrane. Cell membrane, it surrounds the all protoplasm. What is protoplasm or cytoplasm? All of you always listen this word cytoplasm and protoplasm. कहीं cytoplasm लिखा है, कहीं protoplasm. So today I will teach you about the difference between cytoplasm and protoplasm. Protoplasm is nucleus and cytoplasm. In previous classes you have seen the structure of the typical cell, eukaryotic cell of animal or plant cell, in which you will see that cytoplasm outside of the nucleus. So the cytoplasm and the nucleus, in the nucleus liquid is present which are known as the nucleoplasm. So cytoplasm plus nucleus and nucleoplasm collectively called protoplasm. So here it is written as a formula or as a equation. Protoplasm is equal to nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm and cytoplasm. So it is the protoplasm. All over the ground material which are present inside the cell. However, it is prokaryotic cell or eukaryotic cell known as protoplasm. Protoplasm is very important things which are present in all living organisms which are exist on the earth. Protoplasm is physical basic structure, physical basic need of the all living organisms. So all vital activities are present in the protoplasm. All cell organelles are also present in the protoplasm. So cytoplasm and nucleoplasm collectively called the protoplasm. It is the main characteristic of the life which are exist on the earth. So about the cell wall, it is the rigid and tough and surrounds the cell membrane. Cell membrane surrounds the cytoplasm which is present inside the typical cell. However, it is prokaryotic or eukaryotic. It was invented by Robert Hooke in non-living cell which are firstly seen in the wood cork slice. There is it is a structure of honeybee comb like structure and their cell wall is seen. This cell wall is made up of cellulose or hemicellulose, so its appearance is rigid and it is the hard. In third, this cell wall is absent in animal cell and it is present in plant cell and fungi and bacterial cell. This cell wall is not necessary that it is present in all cells. It is absent in animal cell and it is present in plant cell, fungi and bacterial cell. It is made up of, this cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a type of carbohydrate, so it is become hard and rigid. Then this cell wall give the strength to the cell, and 6 is the permeable for solute and solvent. This cell wall which is present in the plant cell, it is permeable. Permeable means it can passes all solvent molecules and solute molecules from it. So it is called the permeable. Permeable means वैसे ऑर्गेनिज्म या ऐसे मेम्ब्रेन जो कि अपने में से किसी भी सॉलिड मॉलिक्यूल्स को या सॉल्वेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स को अपने में से क्रॉस करने देते हैं। आफ्टर दिस फंक्शन ऑफ सेल वॉल, फर्स्ट इज फंक्शन इट इज एक्सोस्केलेटन, इट एक्ट एज एक्सोस्केलेटन इन द प्लांट सेल। प्लांट सेल में ये एक्सोस्केलेटन की तरह होता है, because all things which are present in plant cell or it going to inside the cell, then it act as exoskeleton. It provides rigidity due to presence of the cellulose or hemicellulose and mechanical strength to the cell and support to the cell or to the plant body. So it gives the exoskeleton provide rigidity. It means rigidity means hardness, and then mechanical strength and support to the plant. So, second thing is the maintain cell shape. Cell wall surrounds the all cell constituents or cell components, so it maintains the cell shape. If it is not present there, there is cell shape is irregular or in any form. So it regulates and it maintains the cell shape. Third is it helps in absorption of water and minerals. This cell wall, it is present in the root part of the plant body. All part of the plant body consists of this cell wall and this cell wall. So this cell wall have present in the root, they do the activity of the absorption of water and minerals into the soil. In soil जो प्लांट के पार्ट्स हैं सभी जगह सेल वॉल प्रेजेंट है, यानी ऑल प्लांट बॉडी इज मेड अप ऑफ सेल एंड दैट सेल इज consist of the cell wall, and this cell wall is made up of cellulose, and this cellulose give the strength, rigidity, mechanical strength to the body. So here its function is like that. And when plant body, जब plant body सारे cells में इन सेल वॉल को रखता है, इसीलिए ये बाहर से टच करने पे हार्ड महसूस होता है, रिजिड होता है, और जब ये रूट्स में भी प्रेजेंट होता है तो देयर इज़ फंक्शन क्या है, उनके फंक्शन में इन्वॉल्व होता है, ये सेल वॉल फंक्शन में इन्वॉल्व होता है। देयर इज़ एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर एंड मिनरल्स, ये एब्जॉर्ब करता है वाटर और मिनरल्स को बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ऑस्मोसिस और डिफ्यूजन, जो कि in next video I will teach you about the osmosis and diffusion.